How to schedule TikTok videos without the app.
If you're tired of opening the TikTok app every time you want to post, there's good news.
With Vista Social,
You can schedule TikTok videos directly from your computer. No app needed. First, make sure your TikTok account is linked to Vista Social by going to the Profiles tab and selecting
TikTok from the list of platforms. Authorize access and you're ready to go. Now click Create Post, choose TikTok, and upload your video. You can write your caption, add hashtags,
and schedule the exact date and time you want it to go live.
Vista Social handles the rest.
You don't need to confirm anything from your phone. Just schedule and move on.
This feature is a huge time saver for content creators and social media managers. You can plan your entire week's content in one sitting, and the post will go live even if you're offline. Ready to simplify your TikTok workflow? The link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. Start automating today and reclaim your time.